Delightful morning everyone. Today I am here to tell you about fraction and two types of fraction, unlike fraction and like fraction. A fraction represents a whole and is written by two numbers separated by a line. Below the line is called denominator and above the line is called numerator. If the denominator is bigger than the numerator, it is called unlike fraction, and if the denominator is smaller than denominator, it is called like fraction. Thank you and have a nice day. Delightful morning everyone. Delightful morning everyone. Today I will share with you two types of fraction. A fraction that has a whole number part and a proper fraction part is called a mixed fraction. A fraction whole number is equal to or greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. Thank you and have a nice day. Delightful morning everyone. Today I am here to tell you fraction. A fraction shows a part of a whole. It has a top number numerator. It has a bottom number denominator. The numerator shows part. We have the denominator shows total parts. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. My name is Kumarveer Singh. Today I am discussing about the few lines of fraction. Fraction is used to represent different part of a whole thing. It is used to represent a equal part of a whole. It has two parts, namely numerator and denominator. The upper part of a fraction is known as numerator and the bottom of the part of fraction is known as denominator. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. I'm Gurneet from 5th A. I'm telling you about fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. Now types of fraction. Like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator is called like fraction. Unlike fraction. Fraction with the different denominator is called unlike fraction. Proper fraction. Fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fractions. Proper fraction, improper fraction is a fraction with the fraction is equal to or greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. Today I am here to telling about you two large numbers. Large numbers are the greater than those typically used in everyday life. Large numbers are with many digits like a million or a billion. They help us to measure things that are very big like a population of a country or large sums of money. Example, a million, a billion and a trillion. In India we use large numbers like thousand, lakhs and crores. We use place value to read and write large numbers like a millions and billions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. Today I like to tell you about large numbers. Large numbers are the numbers greater than 1000. We use them in real life for measurement of population, distance between planets, etc. Let's break it down. 1000 has 3 zeros, 1 lakh has 5 zeros and 1 million has 6 zeros, 1 crore has 7 zeros and 1 billion has 9 zeros. We use Indian system for the representation that has ones, tens, lakh, thousand, crore in increasing order. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. Today I am telling about fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. It has upper number numerator. It has both the number denominator. The numerator shows part. We have the denominator shows all part. Example 1 by 2 means 1 out of 2 parts. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Garvi from 5th A. My topic is subtraction. Subtraction refers to the process of taking away a certain quantity for a larger quantity. Subtraction can also used in many everyday situations like calculating, shopping, etc. It has three main parts: the variant, subtrahend, and the result. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers. Subtraction can also represent removing or decreasing physical and abstract quantities. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Sabreen. I read in class 5th. I will tell you about fraction and types of fraction. Firstly, fraction. It is the part of a whole and there are two parts of fraction. Numerator. It will tell you about quantity of a thing. Denominator. It will tell you the total part of quantity. And now types of fraction. Like fraction. When the fraction have same denominator, it is called like fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Now, unlike fraction have different denominator, and for example, 1 by 3, 5 by 4 and 1 by 1 are examples of unlike fraction. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is James. I am grade 6. I speak few lines of fraction. A fraction show a part of a whole. It have a top number numerator. The numerators have part. We have examples 1 by 2 make 1 out of 2 parts. Thank you very much.
Happy morning everyone. Today I am telling about large number. Large number are those that are bigger than the numbers. We typically use everyday life. Large numbers are generally creators are the other numbers or the number system. For example, 1 lakh, 1 million, 1 million. The large number are used to represent the population of the country or the bank account. Thank you very much. Good morning everyone. My name is Jasmine. Today I will share some views about fraction. Fraction represent parts of whole. They consist of numerator top number and the denominator bottom number separated by a line. Fraction is the whole that is divided into equal parts. Like fraction are with same denominator. Unlike fraction are with different denominator. There are different types of fraction. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy morning everyone. I am tell about a large number. Create a large number like that extends beyond topically counting range and formation the largest and smallest number using the given. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I will share some lines on large number. A greater a large number line that extend below the topical counting range. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning everyone. My name is Anvi. I am from 5th A. I am going to share some fractions. Fraction is a fraction represents the part of whole. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator less than the denominator are called proper fraction. For example, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 5 by 9 are all proper fractions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Daman and I am here to tell about fraction. Fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. All parts of a whole in a fraction are equal. Like and unlike fraction. Fraction with the same denominator is called like fraction. Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. Improper and proper fraction. A fraction whole number is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction whole improper fraction. A fraction whole whose numerator is equal to or greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. Thank you.
Pleasant morning everyone. My name is Parth. Today I am going to tell about factors and multiple. A factor is a number that divides other number exactly multiple is what you get when you multiply a number, a common multiple. A number that is a multiple of two or more number. Thank you and have a nice day.